Hi guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree. Let's take a look at these side little gift sets over here. Oh, by the register. So I've never seen these guys. This one says, "This is how we roll." That's nice. Let me see what the green ones say. So let's take these down. Okay, so they have these. Then they have this one. I know I am extra. That's so cute, a piece out. These are nice to store stuff in. This is Take Over the World. Take over the world. Okay. Then they have these rainbow ones. These are kind of cute, guys. And look at these. Isn't that nice? Okay, so those are new. I don't think I've ever seen those. I'll put these back. And then you have these over here. Oh, these are nice. And they have them also in that lavender right there. So then they have these right here, guys. This one says Shine. Let's see. These are different ones. So this one has Meow. Don't Stress. Meow. It says Catitude. So that's pretty neat. Let's see what else is here. So they have some more cosmetic bags over here. And what else is over here? The little change purses. Make It Happen. Then they have these right here, the Moody's, the Fortune pens. They have the glasses, the pair of glasses with the holders. Here's the holders over here. And these are really nice. And the elephant, guys. So let's see what else is here. So these are the eyeglass cords. These are really nice. Look how nice they come. Look at that purple. And look at this one. And here's another purple one and this yellow one. So then they have the avocados. I'm absolutely loving these. Aren't they cute, guys? Then they have this, the mermaid tail heart. And they have the rainbow one. So then they have these. What are these? I'm not sure what those are, but they're all iridescent. And then they have the little donut ones, the keychains. So they also have the change purse and the donut. So they have that. They have the little keychains with the pom-pom. And that one has a mermaid tail. And then they have this kind right here, guys. So then they have all of the sushis all down here. Look at these stickers. Aren't they beautiful? Look at that. The perfume of these are right here by the register. So here's the one with the hearts. Here's the one with the cats. And then here's the one with the unicorns. Then they have these kind of stickers here, the metallic ones. Those are the pandas. And look at this kind. And then here's the cactus and the pandas. Those are really pretty. And they have these rainbow clips right here. And they have these lunchbox cards now. Ooh, let's see. So they have these huge pens over here. And the little mini lint brushes. You know, these are really good to carry in your bag. These bags, and they have these cactus cups. They have some lanyards over here. And different kinds of lanyards. Okay, and then they have some clips. What are these over here? This is lip balm. I think those are lip balms. Then they have these. Okay, let's see what else they have right here. These are notebooks, the spirals, stand tall. Look at this tropical state of mind. Then they have these fortune pens in pink. Then they have some more of these notebooks. Then they have these. Guys, aren't these pretty? These look really nice. These are, those are, yeah, incense stick holders. The warmers. Then you have these pads. Then you have these that say hardcore with an avocado, and that one has an ice cream. I'm loving these. So these are the notebooks, and then you have the little post-it notes right here, and you have the notebooks and the spirals right over here. Then you have some more of these notebook pads right here. You have some of those rainbow chasers. What are these? These are kind of cute. Those are more walls, and these are some more buttons, lotions, reusable bags, and some succulents on the bottom. Then you have these key ring covers, guys. So guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree just to check out the little end caps over here with their little, oh, look at these, guys. These are little felts. This is like black felt, and look at this blue. Oh my goodness, I love these. I think I'm going to get one for my bag. They have them in black and blue and that burgundy color back there. Thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to check out this end cap stuff. And I will see you guys in another video. Wow, look at these succulent ones. Alright guys, have a great day. Bye.